Number one, everything is a funnel because a funnel is just the customer journey. So when you go to the supermarket, it's a funnel. Everything is a process when it comes to sales. The second thing that you need to know about funnel marketing is that it's not complicated. Once you understand that everything is a process, then the complication of funnel, it's a technical thing more than it is about a conceptual thing. Conceptually, you understand you do this on the website and then you go there on the website. A marketing funnel means that you've just designed it in a specific way so that when people click, they go to where you wanted them to go. They're going to a specific sequence of steps. The third thing that you should know about funnel marketing is that you should understand it's not a web page. Oftentimes, I see lots of marketers or people that are involved in marketing or graphic designers say, check out the new funnel I made. And they post a picture of one page, like a website. And a funnel is not a website. A funnel is not a page even. A funnel is a sequence of something that happens. A funnel is a process. So stop thinking about funnels as if it's like some abstract page that people just land on. That's not really what a funnel is. A funnel is a specific customer journey that you've designed. So anyone can create a funnel. Anyone can do it. Those are my top 3 things that you need to know about funnel marketing.